Alright guys, so on this little one I got 80 grit. But one 120 a do or 150, but with these little 3-inch pads here, I don't have nothing but 80 grit, so 80 grit would be fine. It don't matter, you know, 36 grit, whatever, however, you know, some people might want to get this clean and polished. That ain't what I'm shooting for. Like I said, I think the Part 15 sticks better on rusted surfaces, so I don't want to remove too much rust off of here. So I'm just coming in, getting this top surface rust off, guys. And it's gonna, the surface seems flattened out pretty well too, but we still would just give it a better looking surface by me just roughing this up some, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna come in here now with the degreaser. I need a new spray bottle. But just come in with the degreaser, guys, and spray this all down. Yeah, I gotta swap out spray bottles. Alright guys, so hey, you don't have to, I don't have water hose. It's been 0 below, it's probably just above freezing today. But I'm not gonna try to hook the water hose up, guys, so I just save a few water gallon jugs. Few water gallon jugs, and just come in and wash this frame down. So there's nothing special about this, guys. I just want to wash the degreaser off of here now. I sanded it, now I'm degreasing it. I'm going to blow it down with the compressed air, get it to dry faster. And then I'm going to come in with the acid treatment, fill my water jugs up in the house, come out, and repeat the process. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just want to show you here. I want to show you the good and the bad and just how Part 15 work here. Alright, so you see I compressed air all around here. So if it was any oil or this stuff ain't sticking, the Part 15 is going to peel off when I'm spraying it down, guys. So all of this is good. So like when I get to a spot where it could have been dirt or oil at, because I just did the top of the frame and I wasn't really worried about down here, because I'm going to sand this and recoat this. But I did clean the sides as much as I could, but I never wanted to get on the ground if I didn't have to and lay down. I had enough with that with these car there laying on the ground. So I said I'll just clean so far down, flip it, you know. But if this ain't stick, you know, if this wasn't sticking, it will blow off. Or when I'm sanding on it, which I already sanded this, it would start sanding up. Around in here, this will blow off. So far, all of this is coating really, really good, guys. All right? The port 15 is coated. I have nothing to worry about. Doing the cleaning process now. All of this looks good. Okay. All right, so right in here where that peeled off at, that's from the welding that I did here. My mistake. All right, so coming around, all of this looks good. The port 15 is sticking, the compressed air. Now right in here is dirty, guys. See that? And it's not gonna peel off all the way down. It's gonna only peel off to where the dirt stops. It's only gonna peel off to where the dirt stops, guys. This port 15 is good. So when I peel this off, I get a big enough piece off here. Let me show you here. If you can, let me come up and see. You see that? You see it's dirt stick. It's dirt sticking on that. I don't know if that's focusing good or not. But in this area, it's not adhering. Yeah, look at that. You see all of that black on there? That's dirt, guys. So this area had dirt or oil in it, so it's not sticking at all, guys. So I'll sand this down, which, like I said, I wasn't trying to worry about the sides too much. I was mostly doing the top, but I did come in and hit the sides. I did make sure I cleaned in this area pretty good, because this is where the power steering pump go, power steering box go. So I did make sure I cleaned this area pretty good, but in this area I really didn't. And like I said, where it's not, and I seen this was dirty, so I didn't even try to pour 15 in here at all, guys. So I seen this dirty, so this was dirty too. So I didn't even come down this far. You see, I don't even have a nice coating, so I'm gonna sand all of this down. I don't have to sand it to bare metal, but once I get to clean, this will quit peeling off. This won't sand off. The port 15 is not gonna sand off, guys. Once you put this stuff on the frame, you're not getting it back off of here easily. I'm just telling you. So when I sand this, I come in and show when I sand it. When I sand it, it's only gonna sand off where it's not sticking, guys. So all the rest of this, I sanded some of this, and I compressed aired all of it. None of this is blowing off nowhere, guys. So none of this is blowing off. So all of this is sticking really, really good, guys. It's just a way for you to know, you know, if the port 15, like right in here, I compressed aired all of this. Nothing's blowing off, guys. Like in this area, this is port 15. I didn't clean the bottom at all, but the port 15 ran over because I wasn't worried about it, because I knew I was going to have to clean this up. But on the sides here, it's kind of not sticking, so I'm going to sand this and get this right. I just kind of did the top. I didn't really worry about the bottoms and the sides on this just yet, guys, but just want to show you how that port 15 worked. Let me come in and show you. I'm going to sand this down with 150 grit here. All right, 150, 180, whatever you got. You can do it with 80 grit. It don't really matter. It's a piece of metal burr right there. Try to get that on off of there. But So I'm gonna put the mask on here, and I'm going to come in and spray this concrete and prep metal treatment on here. So I don't know if you can see the way all of this is changing colors, guys. So that acid treatment is totally working. I'm just coming in here with warm water, and it don't matter if it's warm or cold. It's just seeing that I'm getting it out the house. It's coming out warm. I'll get it warm here, guys. But yeah, this is totally treated now, guys. So now, just do all of this. All right, let it dry. I'm gonna spray it down, let it dry, then I can start pour 15 in it. All right, so I'm coming in here now, starting to pour 15. I got half of this side done.